everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing an exciting review on one of my favorite fragrance houses at the moment. Now I'm not saying it is my favorite, but it's definitely one of the top ones that I do really love. So I'm sure you can tell by the title, but this is a Louis Vuitton fragrance. Now Louis Vuitton is definitely one of my favorite luxury brands without a question. I absolutely love this brand so much, but that's not what this video is about. So I wanted to, of course, show you the fragrance, but also show you the things that you get when you do purchase a fragrance from Louis Vuitton. So of course you get the shopping bag. I think you can only purchase these fragrances from the actual store. So let me know if you know differently, but I think it is only the store. So shopping bag. And of course you will get a little envelope like this, which just holds your proof of purchase basically. Now, what you will also get is this box, which is a little bit dirty. So this is just what the fragrances come in. So it's probably blowing out quite a bit, but it has embossed here the fragrance name, and the Louis Vuitton's also embossed. It will tell you down the bottom the size of the bottle. So this one that I have is a 200 ml. Down the bottom it just has about the fragrance as well, just the ingredients, and up the top the Louis Vuitton logo. So you open it by the side here, and then basically inside this box you will get a cylinder, a cardboard cylinder, which looks like this. I mean, this packaging is so over the top, but I love it. It looks like this. Again, it's embossed, such high quality. The top has the Louis Vuitton logo, nothing on the bottom, and that's it. So of course, to get to your fragrance, you just pull this up, and that's what it looks like. So, as I said, this is a 200 ml bottle, and the fragrance is Limmensite. So, packaging wise, 10 out of 10 in my opinion. Love all of the things you get. I absolutely love the bottle. I think it's so classy and classic, but so simple as well, which I really love. So the top of the bottle looks like this, if that's gonna focus, and I love the lids. They are magnetic, which I just think is so amazing. The cool thing about this fragrance is, which is really random, you can't really see the tube inside. Like, how interesting is that? I find that so interesting. The bottle as well, so the Louis Vuitton is raised. The Limmensite, you can feel it, but it's not like the Louis Vuitton. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say. But let's get into the details. So they actually come in 3 different versions. So you can get a travel size bottle, which is actually 4 bottles, which are 7.5 mils each, for $190. A 100 ml bottle for $440. Or the 200 ml bottle, which like I said is this, for $680. So they are quite pricey in my opinion, but they last. Obviously it depends on how much you do reach for it and use it, but for me these have lasted like so long. Now to tell you about the fragrance, so I'm gonna read this off my phone so I get it correct. The top notes are grapefruit, ginger, and bergamot. The middle notes are water notes, sage, rosemary, and geranium. And the base notes are ambibroxan, amber, and laudanum. So what it says about the fragrance on their website also, a whisper of ginger speaks of an infinite inner journey. To open your arms so wide, it's as if they were wings deploying to take flight. Like a response to a vast beckoning sea that nourishes fantasies of total freedom. Sometimes finding yourself before a limitless horizon that stretches to the sky is all it takes to make your heart beat faster. Inspired by this invigorating impression captured during his travels, master perfumer Jacques Cavallier composed a laser-sharp ode to freshness, a crackling whisper of ginger brightened by the bitterness of grapefruit and softened by an addictive and sensual amber note, the promise of new horizons like a fresh page waiting to invent a new life. How good is the person who writes their perfume, whatever they're called, descriptions? Honestly, I love that. Now, two things also I want to mention about Louis Vuitton that I love that they do with their fragrances in particular. Now, number one, you can have your bottles engraved. I'm not kidding. So, if you go into their store, obviously if you're there purchasing a fragrance, you can do it then and there. They will engrave your bottle with whatever you want. Numbers, letters, I don't know if they can do other things, but definitely numbers and letters, which I think is so lovely to make it that personalized touch. Like, I'm obsessed with monogramming, so that definitely speaks to me. I really, really love that. The second thing, they actually offer a refilling service. So I love the fact that they are considering the environment, and you can get these refilled in the store. So I am absolutely not at all sure how much it is. If you know, let me know. I couldn't find anything online about it. It just says you can refill them, but I think that's so lovely that you can do that and there's less wastage. You know, I know they do have a lot of packaging, but the fact that you can just reuse the bottle is so cool. Like, especially if you purchase a bottle and have it engraved, or like use it on your wedding day, or that particular bottle becomes like sentimental to you. I think it's nice that you can keep that exact same one and just use it over and over again. So yeah, getting into the actual smell. Now again, love the magnet. Now Louis Vuitton fragrances, I love their automizers. It's so nice, like it goes so far, it's so thin, and it's so wide, and it's just like a really fine mist, which is so nice. This fragrance, okay, let me tell you something. I love this. This on a guy, I think this is more of a masculine fragrance. However, I've definitely worn it several times myself. It's one of those ones that just make you like stop and close your eyes, and you just like can't deal with how good it is. They have got this so right. Now this is one of their top selling fragrances, and I 100% can see why. Now also, I was told by a friend of mine that this fragrance was actually the fragrance they like pump throughout their store's air conditioning. So he was saying that's why it might have seemed familiar to me. Now from there, I have asked in the store if that's true, and the girl had no idea what I'm talking about. So I don't know, is that true? Do you guys know? I would love to hear. But yeah, this is so well done. It is such an amazing scent. 10 out of 10. 100% would recommend. I think it's interesting how it does change every time I smell it. Sometimes I can definitely get like a cigarette, like ashy smell coming through, which I can today. Now it's not too over the top that I don't like it. It's still amazing, but like I'm really smelling that like ashiness coming through today. But yeah, amazing scent. If you haven't tried it, put it on your list. You can also get little free samples from Louis Vuitton. They are definitely getting harder to get, because I think, actually I know, people are selling them on eBay. So like, I don't think they really want to give them out, which is frustrating if you do want to purchase a fragrance and just see how it lasts on you. But yeah, I do hope you found this helpful. Definitely put this on your list to smell. It is one of the best Louis Vuitton do have quite a few fragrances, and it's kind of overwhelming if you go into their store. So if you could shortlist a couple at least that you want to smell, because I don't feel like you will be able to smell all of them in one sitting. Put this on your list because it really is great. And if you have this or you've smelt this, definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. And I hope you found this helpful. I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.